Hi, let's change the side button function on the Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra. And for that, we just need to open settings. Here, go in the advanced features tab, and now we can see the side button. So we can set for double press, quick launch camera, either open any app according to our preferences. We can just tap on the settings and here choose an app which we want to open with the help of this side button. For example, let's select Notes, and now when you will double press this button, the Notes application will open immediately. Now for press and hold we have two options, either Wake Up Bixby or Power Off menu. If you enable Wake Up Bixby, now when you will press and hold the button, Bixby will be enabled. If you just switch to Power Off, then when you will press and hold the button, you will see the Power Off menu including emergency call and medical info. And this is how it works. I hope this video was helpful for you and thank you for watching.